So Babe just got home from work now. I supposed to cook already, but realized that we doesn't have our potato, so we have to go and run to the supermarket to buy it. And guys, YouTube is so crazy now. I just uploaded the one video and it's turned up that even there's already 100 views, but it doesn't show that has a views. It's like 0 views. So I don't know why. So I end up deleting the video again, and I'm gonna re-upload. So yeah, I'm doing a re-upload.
I was very annoyed.
Am I annoyed? Because it's annoying.
It's okay,
But yeah, I tried to. Okay, YouTube. As if it's really big that they pay in there that they will do that. So yun guys, just sharing. That's why it's they're really strict when it comes to if you have already commercial, something like that.
Yeah.
They're very strict to the music copyright.
True.
I'm not gonna do it again. Now I know. So just do it by your own video. So yun lang guys, I'm just sharing guys because I'm a little bit upset. Don't be upset because we have a drone! Yun lang guys, we're here na. So I'll talk to you again later. Bye. Babe is there. Just gonna get chocolate is waving, but I'm not gonna get chocolate because I'm dieting for now. So yun na si Babe guys. Where is the sun, my love?
Why, babe?
Potato. Potato. This is the only one we get here. So we don't have it. So crazy. Sorry, my love.
What'd you do?
This is expensive, my love. No. Bye, store. Going back home. Ouch.
Oi.
So, yep. What is this? I didn't notice this.
Hi. Where did that come from?
My love, you always surprise me.
You have that in your pocket.
I didn't notice. My love, did you hide it?
Right? If by putting it there when it fell down means hiding it, then
Oh my god, I told you, babe, don't
they're
bring
for me, not for you.
Aww.
Remember the raspberry bullets?
Yeah.
That was the closest thing I could find.
Yeah. You got me this.
Got
Oh.
you?
Oh.
Saver.
Us.
Wow.
Okay, us.
Ouch.
Us. He got me this.
Us.
Us. So yun lang guys, we're going back home again and cook our dinner. I'm going to make potato, carrots. It's like a apritada, but I'll use the minced pork. So yun. That's Volkswagen. I saw it.